beautiful people. Now good evening or afternoon and morning from wherever part una dey watch me from. This very evening. God bless you now. I just come say make I bring some matter come. Anyway, before I forget to introduce myself, my name na Ima from Ima TV. Now wait subscribe for my channel this week. Thank you very much. May God bless all of una. Anything wey dey pain una for that una heart, my God, this month of August before e go end, God will deliver am for una hand in the mighty name of Jesus. As una dey like, dey subscribe, God will dey bless una well. Thank you and I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Today matter na I come say we come talk about our friends. Who be your friends? Who you dey call your bestie? Who you dey call your friends? I say make I come talk this evening. So, friend as me know when I dey grow up, friend na person wey go be your friend. He go fight for you for your backi when you no dey there. When people go even bring some kind matter wey e no enter well, that your friend, e go quench the matter for your back without you no go even hear am. Na that one I dey call friends when I dey grow up. This time around, the kind friend wey dey see this time around now, the thing get as e be. Me I come dey fear wa, I come dey pity pon for the kind friend wey we dey see around now. You go call you their friend, but when they go reach back, they go double stabbing you. No be only one stab you, double stabbing your back. And they even talk the matter pass. When they go talk am, everybody go believe am because na your friend. Omo na get one eyi. Don't say na your friend now, why you no go believe am? Your friend don talk am now. I say e be. You understand? That your friend just wan bring you down. But some kind friend wey you go really call your friend, they see friend. E dey for parable, they say some kind friend when you pass sister. They dey and they still dey exist. No be say because you call person your friend, because of small matter just join matter, word will just finish for the person mouth. Begin narrate the person, begin gossip. Some kind things wey they do for inside. Echo as many people talk am. They'll come begin dey fanu, they vandalize, they disgwagwa am, come out. All those kind people no be friend. Even self you and that your friend not dey in good condition or in good things again, no be your power before, or you no get the authority. No matter if you be good friend, to come bring yourself, to come bring that your friend down for anybody. You wey dey look me today, check am out now. Person wey you call your friend supposed to be your friend. If the person really na your friend and you take the person as your friend, we be women, we dey gossip ourselves. We even gossip wetin our guy, wetin our husband, wetin our guy, how we take even play the play for inside bed. You go gist am to your friend. Na so e dey be sometimes. But the friend wey no get you for heart, he go take you come. What will you tell am? You go use am take change to another thing. Say na normal talk before. But the talk wey dey talk about so, e dey everybody body. Nobody wey no get side talk. Nobody wey no get bad talk. Backyard talk. Nobody wey no get am. But whereby say na your friend, na dey talk the matter for your body. Na the matter take get as e be. Na the matter take pity pon. Na the matter take fear wa. The matter come dey fear me like say, oh, your friend just carry your matter, open your nyash, put am for ground, dey tell the public. That one no good. Nowhere people no dey quarrel. But if we quarrel, we need to think the time wey we take play before. Sit down, settle the matter. Sometimes no be all talk because you dey vex, because you get anger management, you just begin dey provoke cats. Provoke cats. Provoke cats say all the old talk wey dey your mouth. You be like say that you and that your friend never even fetch up for one plate. That one no good. Now I say make I bring come. Friends are hard to find. But if you find good one, glory be to God. They are still friends today. Bestie. They be like sister. If they not tell you say they be friends, you no go believe am. The one wey dey see around so they not fair be friends, because if they be real friends, you no need to be, no matter the circumstance, no matter how it be, you no will bring your friend down to anybody. Na so e dey be. Except na just friend for math. Ah, my padi, my friend. Na so e reach. But if no be so e reach, you no get your audacity, normalmente to bring your friend down. As far as say that your friend, you no bring you down in any level. You no suppose and you no get the right to bring your friend down. He said, tell me your friend, I will tell you who you are. That word don't really correct. You know me say because my friend dey craze, say the madness dey my head. No. You know me say because my friend dey do one kind thing, say na so your friend dey do one with am. No. You just like am. Before you choose am, you like that behavior. You know say na so e be. You still dey follow am. Maybe the person wey that friend wey you choose wey dey do some kind things wey you no really dey normal. With time, you go still change if you really get good friend. That friend go still question and say, area where no be say suppose be. Go where? That's so life be. If you get any friends wey you don't call your friends, truth or for your heart say na once your friend. If you see say behavior dey change, na your duty to call and say, ah, my girlfriend o, ke pasa, wetin dey happen? I offend you. E no take anything out of you to tell your personal person say sorry. Except the person no be your personal person before, or except the person maybe you don first tell am say sorry, e still dey frank, e still dey frown your face, e still dey keep you for im mind. All those kind people, you go let them waka their waka, and you go dey your day. Na so e be. For inside all this matter wey I try to dey talk now, I still dey talk say friend dey wey still be like sister. They are bad friends and they are good friends. They are still good friends that can fight for you in your back. They are still good friends that you can learn from. They are still good friends that will never talking go evil, that will never wish you evil. They are still good friends. Most of my old friends that we grew up together, they are still very much my good friends. We are still together. We are still together. We still call. We stay in different country, but we still call ourselves. We still call and just express ourselves and laugh, because we know each other really well right from where we were growing up. We don't let anything offend us now, because now we are adults now. Just to tease each other, you just tease your friend will tease you. But friend wey dey follow the waka dey go wey no dey take teasing, say you tease am, no dey take am. You tease am, you come be like say na quarrel. That kind of friend, you go drop back, oh. You go look am well. or the friend wey dey follow dey waka, e dey expect you all the time. You no understand? So this life na vice versa. You do for me, I do for you. Na im friend dey close and na im friend dey strong. You like a friend, you choose am follow am waka. You see something say you and im fit waka, na im make you choose am. You know say you and him una dey reason, no be person wey dey quick dey provoke. Two friends dey waka, one must get your own character and the other one go get your own character. Whereby the two get the same character, they get anger management. My dear, all those two type of friends, e can never work out. You dey provoke, me dey provoke. Who wan come quench the provocation when e go come? Who go quench am? E go hard na. So na so, if you dey choose friends, look at the friend very well. Look at the character. Use some kind things take play with am. If na the person wey dey take joke, some friend can never take joke from you. If you use am take joke with am, wey dey do you, wey dey worry you, the way wey go take provoke, reply you back, you go even fear for your life. Say, this one wey I just take joke with you, now you just over provoke. You go come even provoke pass you. This friendship, now manage each other, we dey bear each other. If you talk, I talk. Now say e be. Everybody gets your opinion for friendship. You get your opinion, you fit talk, I fit talk. You come balance am if e rhyme. Now say e be. But whereby you just dey get friend, when you go talk, now you know that they reach your matter. Anything when you want do, now you know that go like make you confront. Your opinion, you know, go count. Now only our opinion, now go dey count. That kind of friend, you go look am well. You go better day your day, make it day your own lane. Now say they be. I love you all. Choose your friend wisely. They are still good friends. In that music, they say, friends, I had to find. Friends, don't let me down. Let us talk about our friend. Oh, friend, don't let me down. Let's talk about my friend. So we are talking about our friend today. Who is your friend? Now the one who want put you for igbese. Now the one who want put you for trouble. Now the one where they lie for your head, for your back. Now the one where they let people they stab you for back where you know go defend you. Who be your friend? In all this way they talk so. Bestie, good one, bestie, good one, good friends. They are still very much around. Just pray to God for you to find a good friend that will look like your sister. Pray not to have a bad friend that will stab you in your back, that will not pray for your progress, that will help the one way they always dey heavy you. When better thing go dey come your hand. The one way go dey always dey choose face. When better thing go come your hand. The one way you go always tell your matter. Wey go always dey bring the negative side to you. It will never support you whatever case where you bring come the table. That kind of friend, you go look am well and draw your back. Sit down your day, make it day your own lane. And so life be. If you get good friend, glory be to God. If you not find, make your children, your husband, your wife be your friend. Now so it be. Now be the talk where I carry come. I love you all. Now do well. But now take come by, watch my video. Thank you. As now they subscribe, as now they like and the comments. Now do well. May God bless you now. And may una find better friends where you not go put una for trouble. In the mighty name of Jesus. I love you now, as my daughter will say. Love you guys. Bye bye for now.